There it is. Oh, I can't get it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Oh, I can't see her. There's cardinals out here. Right, you can see
In the tree?
right there. Look, on the ground.
Oh, on the grass.
On the ground by the feeders.
Oh, okay. Huh.
And the female was just on the other side.
I'll be darned. I never noticed the feeders.
My son got me that swing at Christmas, and then I got the other one.
Oh, okay.
So they're new.
Are they mother's finches or something?
There's
The little gray ones?
swallows, chickadees. There's blue, dark-eyed juggos.
Oh, okay.
And there's another one I'm forgetting. But cardinals, blue jays, and there's woodpeckers out here too.
Yeah, I've heard woodpeckers around my place.